mainly press values. Okay, so when we look at press values, uh, when we look at press values, we have the two numbers, we have the two words here. One being the word press, and two, another one. Okay, so when we put the two numbers together, one, the press, then three, the values. Okay, we are talking about a number. Where is the number pressed? Is it we are giving it its position, but those positions differ. Okay. Okay, I don't know what happens. My fonts, it's okay. Move on now. Suppose I have the example one, and in example one, I have a number like that one. Okay. For my, I can read it as 234. So when we have the number 234, we are supposed to give its press values. Okay. Now, its press values, it means that we are going to name it or to identify each number. Let's give an example. We have 4, we have 3, we have 2. Okay, and we are supposed to give the press value of each digit given here, meaning that what we're supposed to do is simple. Okay, when we are giving press values, we have numbers, we have words that are coming to us, but they are not new. Okay, when we are giving press values, we start from the right hand side going to the left hand side. Don't start from here coming this way. No, we start from the right hand side going to the left hand side. So we always begin with the number which is here, and this number you can say it is in the place of ones. So we have this one here, and we shall put it, this one is under ones. This one is under tens, and lastly here it is under hundreds. Okay, okay, so we have said we have the first one ones, the second one tens, and the next one is hundreds. But I began from here moving to the left. Okay, this one will help us that even when we are adding, we begin from the ones, we go to the tens and hundreds. Okay, so the first digit here, its press value is ones. Okay, the second here press value, its press value is tens. Okay, and the last one here, its press value is hundreds. Okay, it is hundreds, like that. Okay, so by doing so, you have given every number, you have named every number, you have given every digit there its press value. Therefore, the press value of 4 is ones, the press value of 3 is tens, the press value of 2 is hundreds. Okay, all together. Okay, let's move on. Let's see what example 2 brings for us. Okay. Okay, something went wrong with my fonts here. Let me change it. Okay, it's fine. Okay, let's have the example 2. When you look at the example 2, I have also my digits here. Okay, they come again. I've said when we are giving the place values, we begin from here on the right as we go to the left. Okay, if I can pick the first person who can give us the place value of 5. Who can give us the place value of 5? Put up your hand and let me know. Say, teacher, for me, I know the answer. Okay, let me hear from John. John.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, tell me what is the place value of 5?
1.
Ones. Good. Ones. Good. Can you spell the word ones?
O
Yes.
N
N
E
E
S.
S. Okay. Thank you very much, John, for that. Okay. Let me hear from Wesugwa Alvin. Wesugwa,
Yes, teacher.
how are you?
I'm fine, teacher.
Okay. Tell me what is the place value of 4?
The place value of 4 is tens.
Tens. Good. Can you spell the word tens?
T E N S.
Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. So when you look at these two numbers we have, okay, when you look at these two numbers we have, the first one we have said it is ones. You first put them on top for easy identification, and we always put the first letters. Ones begin with O, tens begins with the T, and the next one, which is hundreds, begins with H. Okay, then you go and say the place value of 5 is ones. Okay, then the place value of tens of 4 is tens. The place value of 3 is hundreds. Okay. Okay, I have another example here, but when I put this example, I need someone who knows how to share the screen. Okay, you put up your hand and share the screen, then you work out this one on your whiteboard. Okay, I need someone to do that for me. If you are there, just type in the chat and say, teacher, me. And even if you don't know, I'm here to teach you, because we are going to study together for almost 1 month and some more weeks, or 2 or 3, meaning that those are 6 or 5, 7 weeks, meaning that you have to learn. If you don't know how to share the screen, you have to learn to share your screen. Okay, let's give an example. Someone who knows how to share the screen, then I will give you a chance to share your screen. Okay, let me see. Even if you don't know, just put up and say, teacher, for me, I don't know how to share my screen. Then I will teach you how to share your screen. Okay. Then I know, okay, there are some people who have just joined us today. Okay, put up your hand and say, teacher, for me, I know the answer, but I don't know how to share the screen. Then the teacher will teach you how to share the screen. Let me give a chance to Ethan Walter. Ethan. Ethan.
Yes, teacher.
How are
I
you?
don't know how to share my screen.
Don't know how to share your screen. Okay. Now, what are you using? Are you using a laptop, a tablet, or a phone?
A phone.
Phone. Okay. Admin Auto help man give Ethan the rights so that he can share the screen and I teach him how. Hey, Ethan. Ethan,
Yes, teacher.
you check down.
Yes, teacher.
Do you see where you see the word new? Where you see the green button down
Yes.
there? Do you see the green button is the word share?
Yes.
Hey, so go on and tell me. Okay.
Yes.
Who is there with you? Mommy, daddy, are you alone there?
Yes.
Whom do you have? Do you
But
have
my
mommy?
mom is going to come.
Your mommy is going to come.
My mom is going to come.
Okay.
I'm alone.
You're alone. Do you see the button with the word share? Do you see it's green in color down?
Yes.
Okay. Press there. So what does it bring for you?
It has said that start share.
Okay. Say okay or say yes.
Teacher,
Yes.
it has brought for me something very big, but I don't know these words.
Oh, it has got something very big. Is there any word something like okay?
Okay.
Do you see the word
There's
okay?
phone, books.
Oh,
There's
okay.
also Google Drive. There's
Okay.
no
You
okay.
scroll
Let
down.
me check.
You scroll down, you will see the word whiteboard.
There's no okay.
No, you look for the word whiteboard. And
There's
those
no
words.
okay.
Ethan?
White ball.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, press in whiteboard.
I
Have you pressed?
found it.
Okay, press there.
Yes. I've put.
Okay, now I'm
It
seeing
has
what you
said
are
that
doing.
stop share.
No, don't show here.
It has
Now,
said that stop share and everywhere white.
everything is in white. Okay, now,
Yes.
that is now the whiteboard. We are going to write there, and what we'll be writing, we shall be seeing there. Are we together?
Yes.
I'm saying, hello, Ethan.
Yes.
I'm saying start writing on that white thing. I'm going to tell you what to write. Right there, 2, 3, 4, and give the press values. You write there, we shall be seeing what you are writing. Using your finger, it's okay.
Teacher, not everywhere is white and they are very, and there's X here up.
There is X up. Okay, you check down. Do you see a pen down? Something in the corner, it's like a pencil or like a pen, yeah? And
It's not working in.
what already you have written in your screen something in red and we are seeing them. Ethan,
Yes,
you write there,
it's
you write
not
2.
working.
And right now you have the eraser. Okay, you
I'm
stop sharing. You stop sharing.
Okay,
You
but
pressing
let's. Okay, I'm going to place the X.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, you do it now
I'll
again.
finish.
You do it now again. What we
Yes.
did, click the button share, click in the button of share, then you go to whiteboard. You do back so you can get the whiteboard back. Okay.
I'll
Now
put
you
white ball.
okay, you write what I want. You write what I'm telling you. Write 2.
2.
Have you seen it?
Yes, I've wrote 2.
Okay. Write 3.
3. But also it's hard to write like this.
It is okay. It is hard, but we shall learn. Okay. Now, can you write the place values of those numbers? Huh?
The place values of 2 and 3.
Yes.
Let me check on in my book.
You have been writing, yeah?
But also even there's no place value of 2. I'm not seeing it. There's just 3 and 4 and 5.
Okay, this is a new number. That's a what? A new number. Okay. I like Ethan. I like Ethan. Is okay, Ethan, I'm still teaching. Please pay attention. You will learn how to look for the place values. All together? Okay. Ethan is a good boy. He's not seeing the place values of 2 and 3. Thank you, Ethan, for being a good boy. Okay, let's go. Maybe it was too quick for me to begin sharing. Now, Ethan, they can give you a number. Ethan, they can give you a number. Oh, Christian, stop sharing your screen. Mr. Otto, you take away the rights from Ethan. Is disturbing the teacher.
Yes.
No, it's okay. It's okay, Ethan. It's okay. There's something I need to first teach before I allow the third person to go on. Okay. Now, we can be given a number, like the number which is here. Now, when you are given a such number like this one, 4, 3, 5, there is no need to check in the book and know that this one is this one, this one is this one. No. Any number they give you, you start giving express value, moving from the right to the left. You begin with the number which is here. Okay. You go to the next number which is here. Even if they change this number and they put 6, well, you don't care. You don't worry. We shall move on with the number. So the first one is ones. The second one is tens. The third one is hundreds. And finally, the last one is, I've added another thing, thousands. Okay. So we go on and give the number the press values. The press value of 5 is ones. The press value of 4, it is tens. The press value of 3 is hundreds. And lastly, the press value of the last 4 is Thousands. Are you seeing that, Ethan? We don't need to worry. We don't need to copy from the book. Just write it there. Let me repeat it. Let me do a repeat. Let me do a repeat here. So this is what we are going to do. Simple. I have my number, which is there. Oh, not this one, really. It's not this one. It's not this one. Finish this one. So suppose the example. Suppose I have this number here, 4345. What do we do? The first number is ones. The second one is tens. The third one is hundreds. And the last one is thousands. These letters we are writing here are the first letters of the word. The first letter of the word ones, it is O, it is O. The first letter of the word tens, it is T. The first letter of the word hundreds is H. And the first letter of the of thousands, or the first two, write it like that. So we can separate it from this one, from this 10. That's why I write it like mean thousands. Okay. Now, the one of 5, we have said ones, and we spell the word ones as O-N-E-S. Okay. Then the second one, T, tens, T-E-N-S. Okay. Another one, it's there. It is hundreds, H-U-N-D-R-E-D-S. Then lastly, we have this one here, which is thousands. Okay. So let me get another person here, and my next number is here. I need someone to work for me out my example, and it's there. Yes, my example is there. Okay, my example is there. 4250, 4250, 4250. Okay, it is 4250, 4250. Okay, that is the number I have. Okay, so after, then we shall move on. After we shall move on, and we see what will be next. Okay. Let's move on, class. Let me see whom I can pick now. Let me see whom I can pick. Let me see whom I can pick now. Okay. Let me see whom I can pick now. Okay, I see the name for putting up the hands. Let me pick Blessings. Blessing. Hello, Blessing.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
You know how to share your screen?
No.
Who is there with you? Is it daddy, mommy, or you are alone at home?
Mommy.
Okay, so let mommy be there. Let mommy be there as I teach you how to share the screen. Okay. Now, I know Admin Auto already has given you the right share your screen. Admin Charles, let's give Blessing the right. Okay, thank you. Now, okay.
They have asked you. Yes.
Okay. What are you using? Are you using a laptop, phone, or a tablet?
A phone.
Phone. Good. Now, what we are going to do? Do you see where there is the word share?
I'm still talking. Share.
Are you seeing it's green in color?
Share.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
you press there. What does it bring? What did it bring? What does it bring?
It is bringing photos, Google.
Okay, you scroll down and look for the word whiteboard.
Yeah, share whiteboard.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what you'll be doing on your screen, everybody in class will be seeing it. Out together.
Okay.
So the number is 4250, and I want you to give the place value of each number. Start writing. Make sure you don't write in the middle.
Stop this.
Right. 250 on the right.
Write on the whiteboard, okay? You're writing very big ones, they will not fit there.
You are writing big. They are saying you're writing big.
They will not fit on the screen, okay? You pick the pen again.
What are you doing now?
Okay. 4.
No, you pick the pen. You still have the rubber. You still have the rubber with it. Pick the pen from down there or up. Okay. Good.
5. What are you writing? 5. 250. 0.
There is a 0 there. Okay. Now you write the place values on top.
Yeah. Write 0. Write here. Write 0 up. Smaller one. A smaller one. A smaller one. Now write T down. 5. Now write H there.
Someone is helping. Someone is helping. Bracing.
S.
Okay. Okay, now I'm asking, why did you put O on top of 5?
Asking you. Talk. Teacher's asking.
Yes, teacher.
Why did you put 0? What did you put O on top of 0? Why did you put T? What does T represent? What does O mean?
My work is
what?
not yet.
Ones.
Okay, then T means what?
Tens.
Then H means?
Hundreds.
Then PH means?
Thousands.
Okay, thank you. Can you spell the word ones?
O.
Yes.
N.
Yes.
E.
Yes.
S.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much. Let me see if I can give another question to another person. But thank you, Breathing. Hope you have learned how to share the screen. That's what I want. Okay, so that we learn, because we are still together and we have to learn, all of us. Okay, now according to Blessing, she told us that, teacher, the first one is ones, The second one is tens. The third one is hundreds. And the last one is the thousands. Okay, then we went ahead and said the first one is ones. The second one is tens. And the third one is hundreds. And the last one here is thousands. It is thousands. Okay, I know some members. Okay, okay. So, class, there is something I want to talk about. They can bring a question like that. They say, find the press value of 6 in the number below. Therefore, they can give you a number. When they give you the number, they want you to look for the press value. And they can give very many digits, but the number they have given in the question is the one you will go and look for. In this case, we have 6. And the number that has been given to us is here. It is 6, 5, and 0. What do? We have to first look for the press values of all the numbers. Like the press value of 0, we have said it is ones. The press value of 5, we have said it is tens. And the press value of 6 is hundreds. Then we can go on and name them. The press value of 0 is ones. The press value of 5 is tens. Okay, the press value of 6, you have said is hundreds. But remember, our focus is on number. They want 6. They don't want everything here. Once we do it like this and we leave it like this, they will not give us the marks. So what do? We have to go again and look for where 6 is. So who can tell me what is the press value of 6? Gabriela? Gabriela?
Yes, please.
Tell me, what is the press value of 6?
The press value of 6 is 100.
Is it 100 or it is hundreds?
100.
It's supposed to be hundreds. Say the press value of 6 is hundreds.
The press value of 6 is 100.
Oh, don't put 100. Just say the press value of 6 is hundreds.
The press value of 6 is hundreds.
Hundreds. Good. So we can go on and conclude like what Gabriela has done, and we say, therefore, the press value of 6 is hundreds. Then your answer will be very correct. Okay, let me see. I've picked Gabriela, I've picked Blessing. Let me give a chance to Isaiah. Isaiah.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, do you know how to share your screen?
Yes.
Let's read your question. It's there.
Find the plus value of 8 in the number below.
And the number is here. Put in the head the number because you have to tell us. You have to work it out using your screen. The number is
283.
283. Okay. Let me request admin Auto to show you to allow you share your screen. Let me let admin Auto give you the rights. Okay, you have the rights now, Isaiah. You can share your screen. Go on. and you work out that number.
I shall whiteboard or screen.
Sorry. You share whiteboard. Oh, that's why I won't write. Hey, you do the working, huh? Good. Write some small ones, not big ones, or they will not fit there.
And then one.
Okay, good. Okay, Isaiah,
Yes, teacher.
what's the answer now? Tell me the answer.
The plus value of 8 is 10.
Is tens. Thank you very much. It is true. The press value of 8 is tens. Okay. So members, you can also see that we are getting to learn them. So therefore, in this case, you can say the press value of what? 8 is 10. So the first one is ones, as you can say. Isaiah, mute yourself, please. Okay. Then the one of 8, it is tens. Then the one of 2, it is hundreds. Okay. Remember, I've said once you do like this, then you not mark your answer. You have to go on and look for the value of 8, and then the value of that the value of 8 is 10. Okay. Okay. Now, they can go on and change. Instead of saying, giving the number in the question, they can say, find the press value of the underlying digit. They can go on and get one number and they underline it, and they ask you to look for its express value. Like here, I have the number 283, but the number underlined is 3. Okay, so who is going to work it out for us? That's none other than Kayla.
Yes,
Kayla?
teacher.
How are
Yes,
you,
teacher.
Kayla? Your
I'm
number
fine,
is,
teacher.
do you know how to share the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. I know admin Otto is there. He's going to give you the right to share your screen. Okay. Okay. Already you have the right to go on and share your whiteboard. Okay. Okay. Go on. Do you remember the question? You first underline for us the digit which requires to be underlined. Okay, you're writing very big ones. That's why, can you rub off and write small ones and begin from the end there so that you can have enough space? Kayla.
Yes, teacher.
Kayla,
Yes,
can you
teacher.
rub everything? Yeah. No, you have started also in the middle. Begin from the where the screen begins from. Rub, rub, rub. Begin from where the screen begins, so you can have space at the end where you shall write. Okay. Okay. I'm not hearing from Kayla. Kayla, are you on? Kayla.
Teacher.
Okay. According to Kayla is saying, teacher, for me, I have finished. Thank you. And your answer is right. Okay. Thank you. Your answer is very right. Mute yourself, Kayla. Okay. So the underlying digit is the one is 3, and you can go on, but it's not bad. You give them all their place values. Okay, after giving them all their place values, then go on and say the first one here, it's called ones. Okay, the second one here, it's called tens, and lastly the last one here is called hundreds. Okay, then you can go on and conclude and say the place value of 3 is 1. Okay, good. Okay, I see very people raising up their hands. They're saying, teacher, me. Okay, me, teacher. Okay, find the place value of the underlying digit, and the number is there. Let me give a chance to who. Let me check my members here. I want to check who hasn't said anything. Let me give a chance to Esther. 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 Can you unmute yourself, Esther? Esther. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Esther, how are you? Again, you have muted yourself. Unmute yourself, Esther, and you talk to me. Esther?
Hello, teacher.
Yes, I'm fine. Do you know how to share your screen? Do you know how to share your whiteboard?
Yes, I can
Okay.
learn with
If
you.
if you don't know, you're going to learn today. So next time you share your screen. Admin Auto, can you help me and you give Esther the right to share her screen as I put for her the number. Your number is there. Have you seen the underlined number? Esther? Esther? I'm not hearing from Esther. Esther? Oh my God. Esther, you're going to lose your chance. I don't know what has happened.
Teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay. The number is there. Share your screen. Share your screen. Click in the button share. Okay, good.
Teacher.
Yes,
Teacher.
please. Yes, please. Oh, okay, good. Okay. Okay. So which number? It's okay, mommy. We are seeing them. It's okay. You write again. Pick a pen, pick the pen again. 2, 8, and 3. Okay. Okay, go on, go on, go on. Good. Okay, you go on. Don't keep on rubbing. Stop rubbing. Rubbing is not good. Take your time and write. We have like 2 or 1 minute to end the lesson. Okay. Okay, we can, it's okay. Go to the next one. Good. Oh, you are making it very well to not reach there. Okay. Okay. That's good improvisation. I love it. Okay. Oh, okay. Esther. Esther.
Yes,
Okay. You can go on. What is the answer? Tell me the answer and we go on due to interest of time.
the place value of 2 is 100.
Hundreds. Thank you. Thank you. You're a good girl. Okay. So Esther has issues writing on the whiteboard. You need to still practice. Okay. Otherwise, you're a good learner. Okay. So I have here the first one is ones, the second one is tens, another one is hundreds. The first one is ones, the second one is tens, and the last one is hundreds. But the underlying digit is 2. Therefore, we can conclude and say the place value of 2 is hundreds. Okay. Thank you. So I know I had another answer here, but this one we are going not to do because interest of time. Okay. So learners, I would like to end here our today's lesson, and I know there's already someone who is too much annoyed. The teacher, you didn't pick me today. Yes, I didn't pick you today. Okay, I know we have not been writing, but I do request that we are going to put the notes on Google Classroom, so you can check there, get the notes and write. Even I'm going to post the activity there on place values that we have just studied now. Okay, let me pick the last person here. That's who. That's Martha. Martha, you pray for us as we end our lesson, Martha.
Yes, teacher.
Pray for us, pray for us.
Let us humble ourselves and prepare. Father Almighty, as teacher Titus was teaching us, blessing us, and bless us too. As we wake up on the following day, give us the power and give us the power and the energy to do all the work that you give us, Father Almighty. We thank you for the gift of life. We thank you for everything you've given for us as we are in this new school online. Bless it and bless the people who work in the school. Amen.
Amen. Thank you very much.